Every single month, this happens to me. I made that extra worse. I'm stressed out. So we have to clean it. Alright. So we have to clean all of this. Yeah, exciting. Let's turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Look on the table, man. I promise I'm not gonna chat out over one of this. Hopefully I can do an ASMR. Hopefully. So let's go. Okay, alright, so this is part one. So this is how the table is looking, very organized. But we're not gonna look at the back though, because that's our part two, because it's a lot of stuff to organize. And I recently took out my nails. Okay, alright, I'm gonna fix these. So yeah, so this is how the table is looking. Really excited about the new setup. The old lamp I'll be throwing out, and I'll also be getting something new. I need a lot of stuff, so let's start there. So check me back in part two